Hey, good morning, South Park. It's your buddy Anderson here coming at you. Sending out another video for Thursday. Talking with Mr. Godovic, our superintendent, this morning. We should hopefully be in the building on Monday. So hopefully we get to see everybody on Monday. Keep in mind, make sure that you're updating your attendance, not only for my class, but any of the other fifth grade classes. All right. Hey, today's lesson is going to be real short, real simple. It is going to be a shopping list that I would like for you to have ready for Friday. Ready for Friday. So we can do some experiments together. I can do it over the phone, and you can just simply follow my recipe. What we're going to be making is a suspension, which is a solution that can either be a solid or a liquid. It depends on the state of matter, depends on how things react with it. All right. So we're going to be doing that on Friday. So here I'm going to give you a shopping list. A couple things you already have in your house. Everybody, you have bottled water, either tap water or bottled water works fine. I just have this right here so everybody understands. City or tap water, city water is fine. If you use bottled water, not a big difference right there. Next thing that you're going to need is something to measure. Some measuring cups. I have a cup and I have a half a cup. We'll do all this measuring together. I'll show you exactly how to measure. Do me a favor. Make sure that the measuring cups that you have one's a whole cup or one's a half a cup. Either way, I can show you exactly what to do. Next thing, you're going to need some type of container to put everything in. These are what I like to use when I'm doing a lot of barbecuing outside. These are just aluminum trays. You can use them once, throw them away. These are going to work great tomorrow on Friday morning. If you don't have these at home, you can always use a glass casserole dish. Make sure you ask your mom or your dad to use them. Another thing you can use is going to be food coloring. Now, hear me out, boys and girls. Make sure you ask your mom or your parents' permission, or your dad or your grandma, whoever you're working with, if you can use the food coloring for two reasons. First thing, it will stain your hands when you're working with the food coloring. So if you have, let's say, for instance, an important function, we're not going to use the food coloring because if you put blue in, hey, it's great, it's blue, your hands are going to be blue. You're going to look like a Smurf for 4 or 5 days. So I'm not going to use the food coloring here. If your parents allow you to use the food coloring, that's great. That's between you and your parents, or you and your grandparents, or whoever you're working with. The next thing that you're going to need is the star, which is the cornstarch. All right. Some of you may have this in your cabinets, you may not. If you need it, ask your parents to buy it. It's $1.49, $1.50 at Aldi. I got these at Aldi. Make sure you get to see what it is, cornstarch. They're at Shop and Save, Giant Eagle. They're at Walmart, I believe. They're always going to be in the baking aisle, always somewhere near the flour or the baking soda. So those are the things that you're going to need. So mom and dad, if you can, go grab it. You might have it in the pantry or in your kitchen cabinet someplace. Once again, what you're going to need: cornstarch, water, some type of container to put things in. If you have these aluminum trays, they work awesome. They work awesome for this experiment, and also when you're barbecuing, you put everything in there. That's what I like to use. And probably the most important thing, now this is a star, but the most important thing are measuring cups. All right. If you can, grab either a full cup or a half a cup. If you have a full cup, I'll show you exactly how to do. If you have a half a cup, I'll show you exactly what to do. If you can grab both, that's awesome. But if you can only grab one, I understand. cup, half a cup. All right. Hey, make sure every day you guys are doing your attendance, checking in, not only with me, but also with the other fifth grade teachers. All right. Hey, can't wait to see you guys back. Hopefully it's on Monday. Fingers are crossed. Hey, and always go Eagles. And for the kids that are playing basketball, good luck. Keep scoring, keep rebounding, have some fun. Hopefully I see you guys on Monday. All right. Bye-bye.